As more and more people are working from various locations, zero trust model is gaining popularity and becoming a must. AWS has just announced the general availability of AWS Verified Access, which is a service that helps you provide secure access to your corporate applications without using a VPN. It is built on AWS Zero Trust principles. You can use verified access to implement a work from anywhere model with added security and scalability. Verified access evaluates each access request in real time based on the user's identity and device posture using fine-grained policies. For example, you can create policies that permit only certain user groups to access specific applications and only if they are using compliant devices. Verified access now includes support for AWS Web Application Firewall to further increase application security. Using AWS WAF, you can filter out broad internet-based threats, including SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Additionally, verified access now passes signed identity context such as user login alias to your applications. If your application receives a request without the signed context, it can reject that request, increasing its security. The signed context also includes user attributes such as role and department, which can be used to streamline application personalization. For example, you can display custom content in your application based on employee roles. Verified access is now available in 10 AWS regions, including the Sydney one. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any feedback on this, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.